Identifier is a user-defined name given to a variable, function, class, or a module. All variables are identifiers. The rules for identifiers are the names should start with alphabets. Identifiers can be alphanumeric but cannot start with a numeric. Special symbols cannot be used except underscore. Keywords cannot be used as identifiers. To check whether the given identifier is proper, identifier dot is identifier. For example, print ABC dot is identifier. Returns true. Length of an identifier is maximum 79 characters according to PEP8 Python Enhancement Proposal Documentary. Keywords. It is a predefined words which perform a particular task. Help keywords gives you a list of the keywords in Python. In Python, keywords are case sensitive. There are totally 35 keywords. And syntax is import keyword print. To check if a particular keyword is a keyword, keyword dot is keyword, and enter the keywords. And true because and is a keyword. Here keyword is a class. Is keyword is a inbuilt method. Print keyword dot kw list. It will give the list of keywords in Python. Variables is a name given to a memory location. Variable can hold any type of data because of memory location is dynamic in Python. The convention of naming variable should be represented in lowercase. Example, a is equal to 10. A is the variable name, 10 is the value. Memory is divided into two spaces. Print id of a, print id of 10, execute it. Both the addresses are the same. Garbage collector. It is an automatic memory management system. It collects the objects with reference count as 0. Each object in Python has a reference count. It counts how many variables are pointing to it. When the count drops to 0, it is deallocated. Constant variables should be in uppercase. For example, pi is equal to 3.14. Naming conventions in Python. Pascal case. Each of the word is in starting with uppercase. Camel case begins with a lowercase, and the other words are beginning with uppercase. Snake case, all the entire variable name is in lowercase, separated, each word is separated by underscore.